Hey ladies, are you ready to unleash your leadership abilities? Whether you are aspiring to become a leader, currently leading, or an entrepreneur, Empower Her is the workshop for you. Do you struggle with procrastination, difficulty speaking up, confidence issues, lack of recognition, communication blocks, self belief challenges, work life balance, or a leadership mindset gap? If so, Empower Her can help you create a better understanding of leadership and think like a leader. In this 2.5 hour power packed online workshop, you will gain clarity on what leadership is and the major challenges faced by leaders. You will learn how to create a leadership mindset and empower yourself to be an amazing leader. Join our community of like minded women leaders and take the first step towards enhancing your leadership abilities. Remember, with Empower Her, you can overcome any challenge and become the leader you were meant to be.